Want to check whether your weight is within a healthy range? Windows Calculator includes a built-in body mass index, or BMI, calculator that lets you estimate your BMI using your height and weight. In this guide, I'll show you how to calculate BMI with Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. Once it launches, open the navigation menu to access the health calculation tools. From the navigation menu, scroll to the available calculators and select Body Mass Index, or BMI. This tool helps estimate your BMI based on your height and weight. Choose your preferred measurement system, either metric or imperial. Then enter your height and weight into the appropriate fields. Make sure the values are accurate for the most reliable result. After entering your information, Windows Calculator automatically calculates your body mass index. You'll also see which BMI category your result falls into, such as underweight, healthy weight, overweight, or obesity. You can adjust your height or weight to see how your BMI changes. This can help you understand how different weight goals may affect your BMI over time. BMI is a simple screening tool that estimates body weight relative to height. While it's useful for general guidance, it doesn't directly measure body fat or overall health. For personalized health advice, it's best to consult a qualified healthcare professional. And that's how to calculate BMI with Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're tracking your fitness progress or simply checking your body mass index, this built-in calculator makes it quick and easy to estimate your BMI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.